Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share a little mini that I made. It has 3 little signatures in there, and I don't know how many pages. I didn't count the pages, but I just made this. Get off. I have so much stuff everywhere. I just made this out of a piece of fabric I had laying around here. I really think it's the top of a curtain or something. Like, it looks like it's been cut off. I must have got it at a garage sale or something, but it's this right here. And it looks like it was cut off of something. So I'm assuming a curtain because, or maybe not. I don't know. I guess it isn't open. So I'm not quite sure what it's from, but that's what I made it out of. And I just sewed around the edges. And I think I put muslin on the inside. And this is a little circle that my sister made and gave to me. So I just ran some organza ribbon through it and stapled it to it so it will stay on there. But it's so cute. So I just made my closure out of that, and it's removable, of course. And I added this little Chase Your Dreams right there. And this one is, let me see. I think it's about 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. And that is what the cover looks like. And I just made it out of leftover bits that I had on my desk here. Sorry about this shadow. Maybe if I sit down it won't be so shadowy. My light is crazy in here right now. It's storming outside, so it's kind of dark yet not. But anyways, I just made a little pocket right here, a collage pocket, and these cute little remnants is what I'm going to call them, little bits left over. And I just made this little tag out of stuff that was laying here. And I did put canvas on the inside of this, not muslin. And this is just a little piece, I think, out of Artie Maze's a leftover piece. And here is a little pocket with a little card that this Trina made and gifted to me. And so I just stuck it in the little pocket. And there's a little tag inside there as well, this little tag. And this is the little piece of an envelope, and I just did some layering on there and added these little tags on here just for something different. And I just tucked these in there like so. And you flip that over. And this is a die cut leftover 5, and I just glued it on there just because. I did some stamping in here. There's some tracing paper. A little pocket, a layered pocket here with a piece of ephemera that I don't know where it came from. I hope you can see this pretty good. It's just a little layering cluster that I stuck there. Better if I stand up, but then you get the shadow. Just some more stamping, leftover paper, doily, little envelope with a ticket tucked under. Did some little trim on the sides. This is a paper clip on the other side, obviously. And this one Trina made and gave to me, and I thought it was super cute, so I stuck it in here. This is out of a typewriter book. An old typewriter book. Get over there, I don't want ripping my paper. My dog's gonna bark at the cat because they're playing over there. Sorry about that, I didn't want to rip it. I love the way this piece of paper coffee dyed up. Some Tim Holtz stamping, tracing paper pocket. And I just stuck these little pieces of ephemera inside it. I put this whiteboard behind this, and just so it wouldn't be so slippery, and this one still is. That, or I don't know what I did. Oh, I know what I did. Okay. It's been a while since I made this, so I forgot what I did. I just put these little tickets and put them together with a little brad or eyelet. I don't know what one is what, but I just stuck those in there like that. Some Edith Holden page. Another pocket on this side. These little pieces. And inside the pocket, we have these two. I was just trying to use up some of this stuff. And let's see. The other side of that signature, right here I have a little cute tuck spot cluster thingy majing. And a little piece of ephemera with a tab on it. Little tab there. Tracing paper. I'll try to be louder than the animals. Hey, hey! A little tag. Another piece of ephemera. And then these two. Tucked behind there. And that's just a little cluster right there. And the middle signature I did just like plain paper. I decorated a couple pages, but the middle, it was only supposed to be 2 signatures, but I thought it was too far apart, so I just added this 3rd signature with mostly just writing paper. I did do a couple of clusters and a couple little pockets, but not a lot in the middle here. Just some stamping. And then this is the other little pocket. It has 3 pieces of ephemera inside. And I think the rest is just stamping in this signature. Oh, I clipped this little cluster ticket on here, which I thought was super cute. Trina made that. Stamping, and that was the middle signature. Another little pocket over here with a T card that I sewed on coffee dye paper, and then these 2 little pieces. I love this one, so cute. And over here is another little pocket with a piece of a receipt. This is a paper clip. On the other side I have that. This little paper clip that I made. Just put on there. Have to move it up a little bit because it's almost too big for this book. Then on the other side, a little tiny index card and a T card. I just put those in there. Little piece of tracing paper, coffee dyed, Artie Mae's piece, Edith Holden, and this is like a little printable receipt. And this is just some little fabric, that's a little flower, and just little pieces of laces and fabrics that can be used in the book if you want, and I just stapled them on right there. And over here is a book page pocket with some pretty ephemera, beehives. And this is just a little extra paper that I just made a little writing space, extra writing space out of. I thought that was so cute. You could actually glue it in the book if you wanted. I just tucked that in there. And this is a really old 7-Up bottling company receipt. And let's see. Uh-oh. Did I glue that? That's so fragile. I was hoping I didn't glue that down. That would have been sad. Here's another little pocket with a vintage card, playing card. Or some kind of card. I don't know what kind of card that is. Some kind of game card, I think. And another little writing space envelope thingy. I think it's cute. Put that in there. Stamping. Love this typing paper. And here is another little cluster tuck spot. I believe Trina made this one. And a little postcard. I love those little tiny index cards. And a receipt. Put that down there. And on the back, we have a cute little belly band cluster with this little card on it. It's sewed on coffee dyed paper. And I just tuck that in there. And that is this cute little chunky monkey, minus the pieces of thread. And this one is available if you are interested. I will link my Facebook below, and my Instagram, and my Bloomin' Sticks page. You can contact me on Facebook or Instagram. Well, actually, sorry, Facebook or Bloomin' Sticks creation page, and I will give you the information on her. And I don't know why I cannot tie, but there's that. Yeah, I hope you like it, and thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.